Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Happy Monday. Today I have three pretty simple DIYs for you. They are fall related. Even though I'm not ready for fall, I'm trying to get into I'm trying to get into it, but it's like 100 degrees out. So this first project is a wood plaque that my friend found out in the trash for me. Do you guys have friends that bring you stuff? Like, it's so nice that when they see something like this on the side of the road, they think of me. Anyway, she brought this home for me one day. I probably had it for about 6 months now. So when I thought about this project, I thought of this. So right now I'm just painting it. I'm painting it in the color plaster, and I'm only using one coat. But when it dries, I realize that you could see a little bit of it showing through, so I do go over it a little bit. I take one of the famous Dollar Tree pumpkins. I had these from last year. I found a big box of decor that I packed up when I moved, and it has tons of Halloween decor in it. So what I do is I cut this in half. I sand down the rough parts, and then I glue it to the board. I realize there's a couple white spots on it, so what I do is I take some orange paint. I have these flowers that I'm going to add to it, these nice fall sunflowers. I'm just cutting them off the stems because I really just need the tops. And actually they stick right into the pumpkins, so these are great. You don't even need hot glue. If you leave a little bit of a stem on them, they'll push right into the top of those styrofoam pumpkins. I happen to have some orange pumpkin paint, and I just go over these little white spots, and it matches perfectly. It's like the exact same color as this pumpkin. I wait for all this to dry, and then I design this little decal on my Silhouette Cameo. It says "Hello Pumpkin." I tried to think of something else, but I tried to be unique and creative, but this is what I came up with. Hello Pumpkin. Because I wanted something that has to do with the pumpkin, but I couldn't really think of anything else. I even looked it up on Google, guys. So I stick my pumpkin down, I glue it down, and I start adding my flowers. I wanted to make it so they were like cascading down the front a little bit. I think this looks super cute. I like how it says "Hello Pumpkin" in yellow, and I just think it turned out cute. It's simple, it's cute, and that's it. So now I'm taking these little pumpkins. Dollar Tree had a pack of, I think, 5 or 6. And I'm just painting them in 3 colors. The green, the tan, and I do paint one in the plaster. I like I don't know what you call them, not the traditional, even though I did just make that yellow pumpkin. That would probably be about it for this season. I like the non-traditional colors, the greens, the light blues, the tans. I like them for Halloween and fall. I just think the orange is a little bright, although I do like orange and yellow. So I just finish up painting these pumpkins, and then I cut some fabric from some scraps. I have, oh, I wanted to show you guys these items I got from Walmart real quick. These are, it's iron-on fabric, and these are some little designs that you can iron on. And look at these ribbons. They were only $2 and I think 34 cents. That fabric, I realized you're supposed to cut out a little design on it and then iron it on. But you can just iron on the plain fabric if you want, or you could probably just use the plain fabric. I thought that's what it was, just plain fabric. But it's iron-on fabric. I just thought they were really, really cute. They were a bit expensive, though. They were like $6 for each pack. Anyway, what I'm doing here is I'm making a banner, if you haven't guessed by now. So I cut 3 types of fabric. I cut some lace. I cut some why can't I ever think of it? Oh God, I can't think of the name. It's on the tip of my tongue. That brown stuff right there. Oh God. I don't even know. Oh my God. All right, anyway, I don't want to waste your time. I cut 3 types of fabric, so you'll see when I start putting it together. So I just take some twine and I put the pumpkins on first in alternating colors. And then I'm just going to tie my fabric, also alternating. Oh my God, that's bothering me so bad that I can't think of the name of that. I always laugh at according to Kat because she does this all the time. And I laugh because, not at her, but with her, because I do it all the time. Oh my God. Burlap. I knew I would think of it. Burlap lace, and then another type of like white burlap, but it's just a lighter kind. Okay, so that was my my thing. Oh my God, I'm brain dead. Okay, so now I'm taking some more burlap and I'm putting in one of these famous houses that we've had and used for so long now. I'm sure everybody has one in their craft supply, at least one. And I'm just measuring the inside. I'm going to use the burlap to cover up the design inside the box. And then I'm going to glue it down. I took this little thing I found at this little greenery piece that I found at Walmart today. I think they were $1 something, so I didn't mind getting it. And I just took the pumpkin off it, so I'm going to put the sprig in there first, glue it down, and then I'm going to set the pumpkin on the bottom. And then I had one of these little white pumpkins that have the little clip on the back, and I added that to it as well. And I think this turned out so cute. I put it up on my windowsill, in my kitchen, and it looks adorable. Look how cute that is. I just came up with this idea like in 2 seconds. I wanted to make one more project, and it was just so easy. Thank you so much. Look how cute it looks. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please hit that subscribe button. I need subscribers so bad. I'm really starting to work hard at it, though, and you need to. And hit that bell if you want to see more from me. Thank you so much. Bye-bye, guys.